Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Somto. So today we're going to be doing a really quick video on how I keep my braids clean while I'm wearing it. So I basically just wash and condition my hair, cleanse my scalp with shampoo, and then condition my hair with the conditioner. I do this for both my hair and the extensions themselves. This is to keep both my hair and my extensions clean and moisturized. And yeah, that's a picture. I didn't do a video of me drying out my hair. And yeah, so to moisturize my hair daily, I use this really nice KAKIVA moisturizing hairspray. It keeps my braids moisturized and cleansed. This KAKIVA hairspray has like so many essential oils like tea tree oil and so much more. And we have shea butter. I basically just use shea butter to like moisturize and shine my hair, you know, just to keep the braids looking clean and crisp. Then I have these really nice twines. You can get them on with the link I'll leave down below from my Instagram page, Somto Beauty Shop. And yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I really love you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share. I love you, and bye.